After folding these squares into a closed cube, which red corner would touch the corner marked X? In this question, we need to use our mind to mentally fold this 2D shape into a cube. Instead of showing you just how to answer this particular question, I'm going to give you the answer, corner B, and give you the tips to solve other questions like this in the future. Since corner B and corner X would be folding towards each other, corner B going down and corner X coming up, they will stay on the same side horizontally and could potentially touch on the right side. Likewise, corner A and D will stay in the bottom half as they fold horizontally towards each other. If two squares are touching, but certain corners of them are not, those corners will never touch. If three squares are in a line, like the squares that have corners B, C, and E, the first and last squares will never touch because they are on opposite sides of the cube. And finally, the square that is touching the most other squares should be considered the base of this cube, meaning that everything will fold up around it, and that'll affect what corners are touching what. Mastering questions like this just takes practice, either through online games or physically cutting up a piece of paper and folding it into the desired 3D shape. Remember, you don't lose points for being wrong, so always take your best educated guess, even if you get stuck.